How to open the RAR files on iPhone in the iOS 16 update. Today in this video I will show you exactly how to do that. Now let's say I want to open this RAR file right here. All I need to do is to find my Shortcuts app and open it. From here, tap on the plus in the top right corner. In this page, tap on the search box in the bottom and search for File. Tap on File right here, and then again tap on File from here too. Now tap on the file that you want to extract or open, and then tap on Open in the top right corner. From here, tap again on the search box and search for Extract. Tap on Extract Archive, and then from here tap on Save File. After that, tap on Done in the top right corner. Once you'll be taken to this page, tap on Save File right here. Now from here, tap again on the search box in the top and search for the name of the folder that you want to save this file in. Now I want to save them in the Chrome folder, so I search for it, I tap on it, and then I tap on Open in the top right corner. Now all I need to do is to go to my Files app and find the folder that I have saved the file in. Just like that, here is the file, and all I need to do to open it is to tap on it, and I can check it out just like that. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.